For my 30th birthday, we're staying one night at a luxury overwater bungalow here at the Hilton Moorea. We're gonna find out if it's worth the high price tag, which is why we're only staying one night, but I can't think of a better way to spend my 30th birthday. We just checked into our room, so let's check it out. Okay, that view is amazing, but you're gonna have to wait to see that because we've got the bathroom first. Let's go. Clawfoot tub. You know I'll be taking a bath in that. And, okay, this is a shower. What? Holy crap, that's like a huge rain shower. Oh my gosh. Little bathroom. I'm glad that it's blocked off because otherwise you'd be checking out the bedroom. I don't want people watching me pee. I'm assuming the mini fridge, they said whatever is in it is complimentary, so excited to see. We've got some sodas there, a couple Hinano beers.
I was gonna say, I see Hinano.
Can't go wrong with that. What is this? Oh, hell yeah. Macarons, I mean, there's some good things about this being a French territory, am I right? French macarons? Don't mind if I do. Obviously, I mean, I can't do a walkthrough without mentioning this. Part of me feels like I'm gonna fall through here after all the Poisson crew I've been eating, but that's stunning. And, I mean, I told them it was my 30th birthday, so I don't know if they do this for everybody, but a bottle of champagne. Ooh, moving on to the bed. Thank you, Hilton, because this is absolutely beautiful. And then, you know, I can peek into the bathroom. Here, get out of the bathtub. We're going swimming. I saved the best for last. Our view from our private balcony on our overwater bungalow. Let's check it out. It's a little windy, but thank God, because it is like 90 degrees out here and feels absolutely amazing. And this view couldn't be any better. The color of the water is like Kool-Aid. I want to drink it, but I won't because it's salty. Oh my gosh. You've seen our balcony, you've seen our view, but now we gotta test the waters. Yeet! Like bath water.
She can't touch there.
As much as I would love to stay here and enjoy our new overwater bungalow, we have to be going because we've got a sunset catamaran cruise booked for like 10 minutes from now, so. Birthday fit, how do I look? We had booked a private sunset catamaran cruise that gave us the best views of the island from our entire trip. The flower crowns didn't hurt either.
You look like a Tahitian princess.
Thank you. And you look like a Tahitian princess too.
Oh dang, I'm pretty.
So then we got champagne, pineapple champagne, mind you, which is delicious, made on the island. We're outside the reef. Now I really feel like Moana. Can we do this every birthday?
No.
Wow.
I admit I wish we had done this another night to maximize our time at the resort, but I really wanted to do this on my birthday, and that I don't regret. It was one of my favorite parts from our time on Moorea. I'll link the cruise we did down below.
You're a sailor now.
I'm a voyager. I made it past the reef.
Proud of you.
Yep, you can call me Moana.
Moorea. Welcome to my 30s. We just got back from our private catamaran sunset cruise, which was absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, we couldn't have gotten better weather or better views. But now we're off to dinner at the Hilton. We've had amazing food so far on Moorea, so we're gonna see if it lives up to the 5-star hotel vibe. We just got our drinks, and one, this costs like $38, and two, it's not that good. Peter's was worse.
I
We'll find out about the food soon. Oh, wow. So we have an update for you. The food was okay. I'm not gonna say it was terrible. We've been spoiled. Go to the snacks. In Tahiti and Moorea, go to the snacks, please, because the locals know how to make their food. And this bougie resort it's okay. I mean, half of it was edible. And I don't wanna sound harsh here, but like, I'm regretting eating here for my birthday. This is my birthday dinner and I was disappointed. But we're about to head over to the creperie. Crepes, right? They can't get that wrong. Pro tip, order wine because then you know it's gonna be good. And the crepes are delicious. We just got some sweet ones and a savory one, and so far everything is...
You know, the only problem with having all the flowers and decorations on the bed is that you gotta get rid of them. And you're like, well, what do you do with them? Am I just gonna throw them on the floor? No, you don't want to do that. I'm just gonna set them nicely on the coffee table, and then they're gonna get thrown away. How's that? So how was your birthday?
It was amazing. It's gonna be hard to beat, but we still have all day tomorrow. We'll get to actually enjoy the space a bit because obviously we had to run off to our sunset cruise as soon as we showed up. Super excited for tomorrow. We just woke up to the most insane sunrise. Like seriously, laying in bed, turned around, looked out that window there, and it was so pink and orange and absolutely stunning. Like, I'm low-key mad we didn't set an alarm and get up sooner, but that's okay because we jumped out of bed, set up the cameras for time lapse, of course, because y'all know me, and got to enjoy the tail end of it with some coffee. I'm gonna go sit out there now and watch some more. I could get used to this. Enjoying your coffee with the view. After thoroughly enjoying a slow morning at our bungalow, we eventually made our way to the breakfast buffet. It was pretty standard fare, but much better than dinner. Resort Peter activated. Cheers.
Or as they say, Moorea.
Moorea. I got a flower crown, champagne, I'm 30. We're taking photos.
My turn.
You're fabulous, darling. That's my husband, y'all.
Tahiti agrees with me.
Like and subscribe for this sick dive.
Ten out of 10. Would subscribe.
Honey, I have a problem.
What's your problem?
My hands are empty.
Here you go.
Cool.
Resort life. Of course, I just finished sunscreening and it looks like a storm is rolling in. How dare it? We paid a lot to be here. I'm gonna enjoy it, storm or not. I don't care. Luckily, the storm rolled through pretty quickly and it was back to perfect weather in no time. The water was warm, crystal clear, and we saw a ton of cool fish and even stingrays just feet from our bungalow. We decided we should probably enjoy more of the resort before checkout, so we headed to the pool. Turns out they do know how to make a delicious pina colada. The pool was just as lovely as the ocean, if not more so, maybe, because they bring you drinks right to the pool. Hard to beat that. Well, we had to pack up super quickly because we've got to head out, but oh my gosh, this was absolutely worth it. Yes, very expensive, but you get what you pay for, right? I mean, you're on Overwater Bungalow. We got a glass floor. We're watching fishies the whole time. That pool was amazing, and our pina coladas. The only thing that maybe wasn't worth it was the food. But our time at this luxury Overwater Bungalow was absolutely amazing and a great way to spend my 30th birthday. I don't regret it. Maybe I only regret not doing 2 nights. We'll see you next time. Make sure to watch our other French Polynesia videos. Bye! Sail.
Sail!
Ignore the, the nail I lost here, but we'll glue that on later. Anyway. Spinning like a ballerina.
We're going beyond the reef.
No yawning on this holiest of nights.
Somebody thinks highly of themselves.